This is arrogant. And welcome to the Conspiracy Channel, ladies and gentlemen. Da-da, 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 da-da.
Special, mate.
Da-da, 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 da-da. Da-da, 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 da-da. Yo, how's it wording, my worth people? Back again for another conspiracy video. Today we're talking about arrogance.
Your mother.
Also known as the Virgin Labour Force. Strap in, boys, this one's an interesting one. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this one is a public service announcement. Watch out for the lawn mowing companies. They're all fucking evil and ran by fucking evil people. Virgins, beware. They target you. They target the virgins by sending in fucking women, yeah? They get tattoos of you, fake tattoos. I will insert the fucking images. No, this is not a fucking lie, ladies and gentlemen. So as you can see, there is actually fucking proof of this. It's fucking certified. We're fucking onto you. They even got my best friend, and I think they're trying to fucking target my other best friend. It's fucking bollocks, mate. You will be fucking abducted by these people. They can be anyone. They could be dressed as your grandma, your mum, your fucking fuck knows, mate. They could have kids, probably 6. So you better hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your dad, because they're fucking coming for all of them, mate. It's fucking booky shit, mate. We have some inside information right now coming in from the conspiracy people _69420. Their next victim will be a Mr. Raj McKeith. I repeat, a Mr. Raj McKeith. If a woman messages you, do not reply. She will make you a bitch of the lawn mowing companies. Beware, friend. Keep conspiracying, my dude. All virgins, beware. They will target you and hunt you down. They will ship you overseas to New Zealand and fucking anally fuck you and give you jobs as lawnmowers. It's ridiculous. Stop this, guys. It's fucking ridiculous, bro. It's bullshit. Anyway, that's all I have for this conspiracy video. I hope you all had a wordful time and a yeetful day. I'll catch you peepers in a peep. The conspiracy video.